What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today's video is going to be a super fun video because it's something just a little bit different than I've done in a while, and I'm really excited to share these hacks with you guys. So before we get started, I just want to mention that I have teamed up with Grove Collaborative. Again, you guys know I love their company. They are a non-toxic cleaning company that delivers products right to your door. It's a monthly subscription, but you can suspend it any month that you need to. If you don't need any cleaning products that month, you can suspend it and move it to the next date. So basically, they carry all non-toxic, animal cruelty-free products from Mrs. Meyer's, Method, 7th Generation, all kinds of great products and cleaning tools, things you need like skincare, things for your kids, sunblock, all kinds of fun stuff, you guys. And it's all toxic free, which is amazing. I love that. So I have teamed up with them. They are giving you guys a special offer right now. First, you are going to be getting this cleaning caddy soaps. They're hand soaps by Mrs. Meyer's. You're going to get one of their hand lotions, and then you're going to also get some of their dish soap. All you have to do is head over to their website, go check out the link down below. It'll have all the instructions on kind of what to do, how you get your products free. So without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and jump into this video. And the first thing I'm gonna let you guys know is I'm gonna be sharing with you guys 5 simple hacks to make your cleaning experience a little bit quicker, a little bit faster. These are very, very simple. If you guys use any of these hacks, let us know down below. I would love to know if you guys do these right at your house. And then please go ahead and drop your favorite time-saving cleaning hack down below in the description box so that we can have more ideas. All right, you guys, so the first hack that I have for you is just using disinfectant wipes. So if you don't have a lot of time to clean and you don't want to bust out the multi-surface cleaner and a towel or a paper towel, all you have to do is have disinfectant wipes on hand. You can just grab one wipe and just wipe down your counters, easy peasy, and it's all cleaned up and you're out the door. I have yet to find a non-toxic cleaning wipe, so if you guys know of one, let me know down below. Right now I'm just using these Clorox disinfectant wipes because they're super easy and there was a great deal on them. So that's what I've been using when I am in a hurry. So the next cleaning tip I have for you that's going to help save time is cleaning up the dishes as you use them. So this one I am not good at. We try all the time and I am trying to perfect it here at home, and I'm trying to get the whole family on board where when we use a dish, we pick it up right then and then rinse it off in the sink and put it away in the dishwasher or go ahead and hand wash it. So it's really smart if you can get in the habit of cleaning up your dishes as soon as you're done so you don't have to worry about doing dishes later. I even go ahead and use a little bit of soapy water and leave that in the sink lately, so then we can just have the soapy water ready to clean up, and that kind of helps save time too. So that's kind of a little bit of a bonus, is kind of having your dishwater already prepared and ready to clean your dishes. So the next tip I have for you, and this one is awesome. I seen it a while ago on Pinterest, and when I started utilizing this tip, it's really helped me out, like as far as with my back and bending over and things like that. But that's taking your broom and taking a towel and go ahead, find a rubber band and wrap that towel around your broom and then use it to clean your baseboard. So you're not bending over and you're not getting on your hands and knees and spending all that time crawling around your floors like I used to do. Now I can just real quickly spray whatever product I want to along the baseboard and wet my towel if I want, and then just go ahead and kind of clean it. It saves a lot of time, and it's also a lot easier than me getting on the ground and spending that time crawling all over the place. So the next hack I have for you guys is having a catch-all bin. So if you've been following my channel for a very long time, you know I have been utilizing a basket that sits at the bottom of my stairs all day long. So if there's things downstairs that needs to go upstairs, we just throw it in that basket and take the basket up at the end of the night. Or a lot of times if I am cleaning up the home because I want to do a quick cleanup or people are coming over, then I will take the basket and run around the downstairs, throw toys in there, throw hats, whatever, everyone's left behind, throw it in that basket and go ahead and take everything up in one trip. So another tip I have for you guys that helps me save time is just having a system, having a cleaning routine that you know exactly what you're gonna do whenever you clean that space. So I know when I clean the bathroom, I have this routine and this little system that I just start with the floors. I pick up all the laundry that's been thrown on the floor. Then I hit the counters. I'll take everything off the counters, put them back where they go. And then that's when I will go ahead and spray like my mirrors and my counters and continue cleaning that way. And I just kind of have a system and know exactly what I'm going to go do when I need to clean that area in my home. And I think just having an idea and doing it over and over where it's a habit, it makes it go a lot faster when you've been doing the same thing over and over. So try and kind of keep your routine on how you clean up your space, and it's going to be a lot faster for you later. So the next hack I have for you guys is using a product that you can not only use on your counters and your stove, but something that you can also use on your mirrors. So what I use is this Method surface cleaner, and it works great on the mirrors and also works on the counter. So when I don't want to bust out a Windex or a specific glass cleaner or my countertop cleaner and all of those different products, I can just go ahead and use this one when I'm in a hurry because it cleans everything. And so that's why I do like to have this on hand, just to know that I am able to kind of clean up multiple places without taking everything out and spending more time on that area. Alright, you guys, that's all I have for you today. I hope you guys enjoyed this simple, quick tips on how to clean up quickly. And again, if you guys have any other hacks on how to clean up super fast and get things done, leave those down below so we can all check those out and kind of help each other out. And again, don't forget to check out Grove Collaborative. I will have their links down below so you can check out their website, what they're all about, and get your free offer. Don't pass up on the free offer. You just spend 20 bucks and you get stuff for free. So you don't really spend 20 bucks other places and get things for free, so this is a really good deal. Anyway, I love you guys so much. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also give me a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.